Here's my ID. My name is Gia Wilson, and this is my speech on why going on vacation is beneficial. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the amount of stress you have from school, work, or just life in general? Well, did you know taking yearly vacations can help improve your health by decreasing your stress levels? So let's talk about stress. Stress is the body's natural reaction to being put outside of its comfort zone. Whether the body reacts negatively or positively, the body can still respond physically, emotionally, or mentally. Some physical health issues that stress can cause is heart disease and high blood pressure. Many studies have found people who went on yearly vacations live longer than those who did not, relating to these health issues. By going on vacation, you reduce the risk of metabolic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome is a collection of risks of cardiovascular disease. So by going on vacation, you reduce the risk of heart disease. Another way that vacation helps your physical health is by reducing high blood pressure. High blood pressure is caused by an abundance of hormones released when you're stressed. So by going on vacation, you are less stressed, therefore less high blood pressure. Along with your physical health, vacation also helps your mental health by relieving stress and reducing depression and anxiety. Vacation can relieve stress by decreasing your cortisol levels and increasing your serotonin levels. Cortisol is a common hormone that causes stress, and serotonin is a hormone our body releases when we're happy. One cause for depression is remaining in a stressful state for too long. By going on vacation, you reduce depression by removing an individual from activities, people, or environments associated with stress. Vacation also helps your sleep schedule because you catch up on your sleep, therefore fixing your sleep schedule, and healthy amounts of sleep can reduce depression, leaving you happier. Now, let's talk about how life gets better after vacation. Multiple studies have shown people often felt closer with their loved ones during and after vacation, upon feeling creative, productive, and more energetic. Going on vacation strengthens your family ties as well as relationships and friendships. It also allows you to bond and have quality time with your family. Multiple studies have shown people have often felt more productive at work when returning back from vacation because they feel more energized, and it's actually more counterproductive to overwork your body. Vacation also adds to your creativity. It increases inspiration skills like writing and cooking, and that leads to a happier life. You also get exposure to new cultures. This exposure of new values and beliefs, even if it's in the same country, can lead to better communication skills and more an understanding to other cultures. In conclusion, vacations decrease stress, which benefits your physical health, such as reducing the risk of heart disease and high blood pressure. The reduction of stress that vacations provide decreases your chances for mental health issues, such as anxiety and depression, and it does this by allowing you to catch up on your sleep schedule and removing you from activities that associate with stress. Going away on vacation has also been found to strengthen your family ties through quality time and bonding that's necessary to improve your relationships. Along with increasing your health, vacation also helps your life after vacation by increasing productivity and creativity. You have more of an understanding for new cultures and diversity. You also give yourself time to heal and to be more productive when you return to work. So In other words, take a vacation and help yourself.